Technology and health. Applications of technology in healthcare. Technology has had a significant impact on the healthcare industry, enabling greater efficiency, accuracy, and accessibility in the delivery of healthcare services. From wearable devices to telemedicine, technology is being used in a range of applications to improve patient outcomes and reduce healthcare costs. In this article, we will explore the role of technology in healthcare and the potential impact of these developments on the healthcare industry. Introduction. Technology is revolutionizing the healthcare industry, from the way patients access care to the way healthcare providers deliver services. The use of technology in healthcare has the potential to improve patient outcomes, reduce healthcare costs, and increase access to care. In this article, we will explore some of the key applications of technology in healthcare and the potential impact of these developments on the healthcare industry. Wearable devices. Wearable devices, such as fitness trackers and smartwatches, are increasingly being used in healthcare to monitor and track patient health. These devices can track a range of health metrics, including heart rate, blood pressure, and sleep patterns, providing patients and healthcare providers with real-time data that can be used to monitor and manage health conditions. Telemedicine. Telemedicine is the use of technology, such as video conferencing and remote monitoring, to deliver healthcare services remotely. Telemedicine is particularly useful for patients who live in remote or underserved areas, enabling them to access healthcare services that they may not have been able to access otherwise. Telemedicine can also reduce healthcare costs by reducing the need for in-person visits and hospitalizations. Electronic health records. Electronic health records, EHRs, are digital versions of patients' medical records. EHRs enable healthcare providers to access patient information quickly and easily, improving the speed and accuracy of diagnosis and treatment. EHRs also enable patients to take a more active role in managing their own health, by providing them with access to their own medical records and enabling them to communicate with their healthcare providers more easily. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is being used in healthcare to improve the accuracy and efficiency of diagnosis and treatment. AI algorithms can analyze large amounts of data, such as medical imaging scans and patient health records, and identify patterns and trends that may not be visible to the human eye. This can lead to faster and more accurate diagnosis, as well as more personalized treatment plans. Robotics. Robotics is being used in healthcare to automate a range of tasks, from surgery to medication dispensing. Robotic surgery, for example, enables surgeons to perform minimally invasive procedures with greater precision and accuracy, reducing the risk of complications and improving patient outcomes. Robotic medication dispensing systems can also reduce medication errors and improve patient safety. Challenges and opportunities. While technology presents many opportunities for the healthcare industry, there are also several challenges that must be addressed. Some of the key challenges include privacy concerns. The use of technology in healthcare presents privacy concerns, and there is a need for clear policies and regulations to protect patient data. Cost. The initial cost of implementing new technologies can be high, and there may be ongoing costs associated with maintenance and upgrades. Workforce skills. The adoption of new technologies requires a skilled workforce, and there may be a skills gap in some areas of the healthcare industry. Despite these challenges, technology also presents many opportunities for the healthcare industry. Some of the key opportunities include improved patient outcomes. Technology can improve the speed and accuracy of diagnosis and treatment, leading to better patient outcomes. Reduce